It's MG805 Clothing. Today's My Garage midweek.
Are you serious? That's a lot of information. Shut up.
Go ahead.
Hey, what's going on? This is Jim with My Garage, and we have this nice lady over here. You guys can't see her. I think she's a midget because her feet are like a foot from the ground. But
I think this chair makes me look small.
I think this chair makes me look big. So I don't know what it is. But she's into leather, so we had to definitely talk to her. And
I love my leather.
She loves her leather, boy. Tell you what, you'll be actually. I hope we got some pictures from some of the stuff that's going. I had some really good vests. I had a really nice vest I tried on earlier. I'll post that later. And I went on a ride to test it out, and I got stung by a bunch of bees, and I swelled up. So the vest actually looks smaller than normal because of that. But she's actually from First Leather. We've been a dealer with them for, I don't know, probably going on a couple of years. Nothing really gotten into it, but now we're opening up our. The lounge is being converted into our showroom for all the apparel stuff, and our goal is to have that ready for November. But we want to talk about some of the leather stuff they have. They have tons of stuff. They pretty much have styles for just about everybody. But we're going to talk about some of the key things. Number one, what kind of warranties your guys' stuff have?
So our stuff's a lifetime warranty. So if you have any issues, if you have with zippers or snaps, we will definitely fix or replace. And by replace, I mean if we can't fix it, you will get a new vest. Same exact style, new vest. If for some reason, you have patches on it, we will replace the patches as well. So we'll take them off your old vest, put them on new vest, and you will not be charged for any of that.
Well, I'm really shocked about that. I mean, I would expect to pay. I'm going to put a vest with a ton of patches on it, say it busted. Did you say that?
Just so you can do it.
I actually ordered a vest that's custom made. You guys make custom made vests. There's several, I think, three different styles, to choose from?
3 different style cuts you can choose from, and then you can choose whether you want it denim, canvas, or leather. You can choose from those 3 vests, those 3 materials. You can choose the color stitching you want, and you can choose the inside liner. The inside liner can be anything, as you can just pick something that we have as far as, a flag or, whatever styles we have. Or if you have a picture you want on your liner, we can do that as well.
Well, that'd be cool. I could definitely think of some pictures I'd want to have on the inside of the vest.
Inside, not the outside.
Yeah, not the outside. I could got one on the outside. I think it would be like this, for one particular person, I'll tell you what. But no, in all seriousness, your stuff is really awesome quality. We've sold a lot of the shirts. I think the combination, with the vest and the shirts are going to be good. I think I'll have to talk to Lou. We'll be talking about this again in the future as far as some of the stuff that's going to be coming in, and we'll talk about probably each one of the things. We'll do that kind of thing. Is there anything that I need to know about the product that I don't already know?
I think you pretty much know everything else, already.
It's easy because I would know absolutely nothing, so that about covers it.
So you're looking at great pricing. You're not going to spend,
hundreds of dollars.
Hundreds of dollars.
You can buy for example, a leather shirt. Sorry, I'm cutting you off.
It's okay.
Tough shit. A leather shirt, $150. I mean, I had a leather shirt. I had it custom made for me. I think it paid $600, but I think it's because they needed like 4 cows to do it. That was besides the point. But in all seriousness, their stuff is priced extremely well. How much is the custom made vest to put all the stuff in this, or ballpark wise? I think it's what, $160 or something like that.
And up, so no more than $250.
You can't go wrong for $250, full blown custom with any interior you want. It's like better than buying a car. So
yeah,
you can't go wrong with that. And if you want her picture on the back side of the thing, you know what? Just let me know. We'll make that happen. It'll be. Well, we're not saying that picture. Well, you know what? That might be a very expensive vest, but you never know. Money can buy just about anything. But until then, you know what? Come on down, check it out, see the whole thing on Facebook and YouTube.